Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss something incredibly important for our health, nutrition, and vitamins. Despite sometimes being overlooked, nutrition and vitamins play a crucial role in keeping our bodies healthy. Let's start by looking around us. Fresh food items like green vegetables, brightly colored fruits, and high-quality proteins from meat or plants form the foundation of a healthy diet. Nutrition consists of macro and micronutrients. Macros like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats provide the energy our bodies need to function properly. Meanwhile, micronutrients, such as vitamins and minerals, act as catalysts for essential biological processes. The digestion process is key to ensuring our bodies can absorb all the essential nutrients. Our food is broken down into smaller nutrients during digestion, allowing the body to absorb them more efficiently. Interestingly, research shows that a deficiency in certain vitamins can lead to various health problems. For example, a lack of vitamin D can affect bone health, while a shortage of vitamin C can reduce immune function. Ideally, we should get vitamins and nutrients from our everyday foods. Oranges for vitamin C, leafy greens for vitamin K, and fish for omega-3 fatty acids are examples of nutrient-rich foods. Ensuring that we get enough nutrients is crucial to support optimal body function. A balanced diet that includes a variety of foods is the key. Thank you for joining us on this health journey. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who might also be interested. Until the next video, stay healthy. See you soon.